Welcome to Media Britannics, and thank you for joining this complete tutorial on print on demand. In this video, we will walk through the process in a clear and practical way. Print on demand is a business model where products are made only after a customer places an order. You focus on creating designs and marketing your products online. The printing and shipping are handled by a service provider. This approach helps reduce upfront cost and inventory pressure. Print on demand starts with understanding what types of products people like to buy. Common items include shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, and notebooks. These products work well because they are useful and easy to personalize. Your goal is to match creative designs with items people already enjoy using. This makes your store feel relevant and appealing. Research helps you understand trends and customer interests. Choosing the right product type is the foundation of success. Design creation is one of the most important parts of print on demand. You do not need to be a professional artist to start. Many beginners use simple design tools that are easy to learn. Focus on clean text, clear images, and balanced colors. Designs should be easy to understand at first glance. Avoid cluttered layouts that confuse the viewer. Simple designs often perform better than complex ones. When creating designs, always think about your target audience. Ask yourself who would enjoy wearing or using this product. Designs for motivation, humor, hobbies, or culture often perform well. Make sure your message is positive and respectful. Avoid sensitive or restricted topics to stay within platform guidelines. Clear and thoughtful designs build trust with customers. Your design should feel relatable and authentic. After creating your designs, the next step is choosing a print-on-demand platform. These platforms connect your designs to physical products. They also handle printing, packaging, and shipping. Popular platforms offer easy store integration and product previews. Look for services with good print quality and reliable delivery. Reading reviews can help you make a smart choice. A good platform supports your long-term growth. Setting up your online store is the next important step. You can use platforms that allow easy store creation without technical skills. Your store should look clean and professional. Product images should be clear and well presented. Write simple and honest product descriptions. Customers should understand exactly what they are buying. A well-organized store increases customer confidence. Product descriptions play a big role in customer decisions. Explain what the product is made of and how it can be used. Describe the design idea in a friendly and natural way. Avoid exaggeration and keep expectations realistic. Clear descriptions reduce confusion and returns. Always write in a tone that feels human and helpful. Good descriptions improve trust and clarity. Pricing your products correctly is very important. You need to cover production costs and platform fees. At the same time, your price should feel fair to customers. Research similar products to understand market pricing. Do not undervalue your work just to compete. A balanced price supports sustainability. Clear pricing builds confidence and professionalism. Branding helps your store stand out from others. Choose a consistent color style and design theme. Use the same tone of voice across your store and social platforms. Your brand should feel familiar and reliable. Even small details like logos and banners matter. Strong branding helps people remember your store. Consistency builds long-term recognition. Marketing is how people discover your print-on-demand products. Social media platforms are powerful tools for promotion. Share your designs in a natural and engaging way. Focus on showing how the product fits into daily life. Avoid spam-style posting and focus on value. Organic promotion builds real interest over time. Patience is key when growing visibility. Content creation can support your marketing efforts. Short videos and images showing the product in use perform well. Explain the story behind the design when possible. People connect more with meaning than with sales messages. Keep your content honest and friendly. Engagement grows when people feel included. Consistent content builds community trust. Customer service is an important part of your business. Always respond politely and clearly to questions. Set realistic expectations about shipping and delivery times. If issues arise, handle them calmly and professionally. A good response can turn a problem into loyalty. Customers appreciate honesty and respect. Strong service builds positive reputation. Understanding platform rules helps protect your store. Always follow content and copyright guidelines. Only upload designs you created or have rights to use. Avoid using famous logos or protected content. Respecting rules keeps your store safe. Compliance helps avoid account issues. A responsible approach supports long-term success. Order fulfillment is handled automatically by the print-on-demand service. Once a customer places an order, the process starts. The product is printed, packed, and shipped directly. You do not need to handle inventory or shipping yourself. This saves time and effort. You can focus on design and marketing. Automation makes scaling easier. Tracking performance helps you improve your store. Pay attention to which products sell well. Review customer feedback and comments carefully. Use this information to refine designs and listings. Improvement comes from observation and adjustment. Small changes can lead to better results. Learning from data supports growth. Expanding your product range can increase sales over time. Start with a few products and test performance. Add new items based on customer interest. Keep your design style consistent across products. Expansion should feel natural, not rushed. Thoughtful growth is more sustainable. Quality matters more than quantity. Time management is important in print on demand. Set a schedule for design, promotion, and store updates. Avoid trying to do everything at once. Small daily progress adds up. Consistency matters more than speed. A calm workflow reduces stress. Balance helps maintain creativity. Building trust with your audience takes time. Share honest updates and behind-the-scenes moments. Be transparent about your process. People enjoy supporting real creators. Authentic communication strengthens relationships. Trust leads to repeat customers. Long-term success is built on connection. Print on demand is not an instant result model. Growth takes patience and steady effort. Some designs will perform better than others. Treat setbacks as learning moments. Improvement comes through practice and persistence. Stay focused on progress. Every step teaches something valuable. Always continue learning and improving your skills. Trends change and customer interests evolve. Keep exploring new ideas and design styles. Watch feedback and adapt accordingly. Staying curious helps you stay relevant. Learning keeps your business fresh. Growth comes from openness to change. Thank you for watching this full print-on-demand tutorial on Media Britonics. I truly appreciate you spending your time here. If you found this video helpful, please like the video to support the channel. Do not forget to subscribe to Media Britonics for more helpful content. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.